single soul. What I'm about to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Oh, when the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down that chimney broad and black, with your pack, your creep, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. A storybook, she thinks dolls are folly. As for me, my little brain isn't very bright. Choose for me, old Santa Claus, what you think is right. Oh, Johnny, old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way.